Hello, hi. Okay, I don't know. Focus isn't that good. Uh, I feel like Austin Powers right now. Brilliant. That's Mr. Prakash, my host for tonight. Yeah, I'm on some highway, and yeah, this is my khatia for tonight. Uh, I'm sleeping next to the highway, under the sky. Some dhaba people were very nice to lend me a khatia. So yeah, I just crashed here. Hi Arpit. Uh, hey buddy. Hi Shreya. Hi Shivani. Uh, Thank you Shreya. Yeah, I'm loving this. Amazing. Yeah, it's a very colorful highway dhaba. And I was gonna go to this temple, but then these people said that we want you to stay here, and they're all talking about me. I just can't believe it. They're all sitting around there, and the owner of the hotel is telling everyone about it. And some people in the hotel, well, in the restaurant, they heard him talking about me, so they called some press people. And apparently, tomorrow I'm gonna be met with a huge press team. Well, let's see what happens. Hi, Piyush. Oh my god, Piyush is here. Oh my god, Piyush is here. Let's see. Oh, no problem. Kem che Piyush, Majama? I'm in a place called Malpur. I reached here around 9 p.m. and I started at 4 a.m. today. So it was a long day, but it was an awesome day. Every day is awesome. હા સવારના 4 વાગે નીકળેલો અને અહીંયા 9 વાગે પહોંચ્યો લુણાવાડાથી માલપુર. Actually, Malpur was my target for tomorrow, but I managed to reach here tonight. Thanks, Piyush. Yeah, I will keep it up. Thank you, man. Brilliant. Yeah. Managed about 40 kilometers today. My legs are killing me. My right leg is a goner. Uh, Blisters all over my toes, between my toes, on the soles of my feet, and everything. Uh, a ligament is seriously stressed. I hope it doesn't break or something. But this is brilliant. So yeah, this is how it is. Some nights I'm in some very posh bungalows. Some nights I'm sleeping by the road in a dhaba or whatever. It doesn't matter because I'm so nicely tired. Uh, Thank you. Yeah, thanks, Pinky. I will. Yes, Piyush, I know you would have joined me, dear. I know. But because you're tired, it doesn't matter where you're sleeping. ऊपर छत है कि नहीं, नीचे खटिया है कि नहीं, सिर के नीचे पिलो है कि नहीं, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. पिलो नहीं है, by the way. I don't know what this is. So this is just my कपड़ा. There we go. हाँ, मतलब बिस्तर भी नहीं चाहिए, छत भी नहीं चाहिए, तकिया भी नहीं चाहिए. अच्छी सी थकान चाहिए, एक टाइम का खाना चाहिए, and yeah, it's all good. This place is so colorful. It's like a 24-hour party place. I think most nights I'll be spending on these highway dhabas and hotels because I'll be passing through a lot of small towns. પણ હા મોટા ભાગે તો આવું જ રહેવાનું. ક્યારેક ક્યારેક બહુ સારું હોય છે. જ્યારે કોઈ મોટા શહેરમાં હોઉં છું તો લોકોના ઘરે કે એવું રહેવાનું હોય છે, પણ બાકી ઢાબા જિંદાબાદ, મંદિર જિંદાબાદ, રોડ જિંદાબાદ, everything's okay. Yeah, it was almost 42 kilometers today, Shivani. It was just unbelievable. I couldn't believe it. But I had a nice 2 or 3 or some 3 hour break in the afternoon. Had a little bit of a nap. And then when I woke up, I thought, you know what, I can do tomorrow's target today because I felt quite good. So yeah, I just started walking again. And I'm in Malpur. I was supposed to reach here tomorrow, but I reached here tonight. So yeah, I think the lesson is that it's possible to achieve your targets, and it's possible to achieve your targets before the deadline. Always, yeah. I don't know what to say unless you guys have some questions. It's been a great day. Uh, I keep thinking whether I should show you guys the blisters in my feet, and then I think no, maybe not. It'll be a bit too corny. Uh, my right leg won't be straight. I can't get my right leg straight. I think I have to do an episode on difficulties because I'm always giving you guys the idea कि सब अच्छा है, सब जोरदार है, सब मजेदार है. Uh, I keep saying this that it's all good and it's all great, and it is all good and it is all great. But yeah, I think at some point I'll have to show you the blisters in the sole and the rashes on my arms and in my waist because all day you keep sweating. So yeah, it's just sweat dripping down your waist, and uh, it just keeps accumulating around the elastic of the underwear or the pajamas or whatever I'm wearing. So it gets quite yeah. There is a heavy dark side. There is a big dark side. I don't report any of that because I don't want to put you guys off. Plus, I think you guys are all grown-ups. You know, no pain, no gain. You know that. Or some car just came by. So, yeah, Kunal, hi. Toshita, hi. Nice of you guys to join me. Pinky, I'm headed to Modasa tomorrow. Modasa is less than 20 kilometers, so it should be very easy. Uh, yeah, I think we will soon. Hey, Prashu is here. Hi, Prashu. Kunal, have I checked if I can cross Rajasthan border? Um, uh, I keep hearing that the border is closed. Uh, when I took the permission from the collector, the borders were open. Then, hi Prashu. And then the borders closed. But I think I'll be okay because what I'll do is they're allowing cars and they're allowing buses. So I think what I'll do is I'll just get into someone's car or some bus just to cross the toll post, and then I'll be fine. So yeah, wow, all the stars are joining me today. Tarun is here, Prashu is here, Shreya is here, Shivani is here. This is a star episode, no doubt about it. Uh, I don't know what to tell you guys. This place is so colorful. Like I was saying earlier, because I'm so nicely tired, uh, I don't care. There's no roof above my head. I don't have a bed. I don't have a pillow. I don't have a fan. I don't know what to say. And there are bright lights all around me. There are buses and trucks zooming past, and they're really loud. And plus, it's a dhaba, so it's gonna be pretty busy. They'll stay open till midnight. So yeah, it's all gonna be pretty. Uh, yeah, but I'm not gonna notice any of it. The minute I end this video and I close my eyes, they'll open at 2 or 3 in the morning, and I'm ready to go. Yeah, everywhere there's so much kindness. People are very, very nice. Tarun, any muscle cramps? Tarun, I was talking about this earlier that I think I need to do a dark episode or a difficult episode where I'll talk to you about all the problems. Like my right leg, if you can see it, I can't straighten my right leg. For the last 2 days, I'm unable to get my right leg straight. I have blisters between my toes on both my feet, and they are like I don't know, the size of ball bearings. They're all different shapes. Some are the shapes of peanuts. Some are the shapes of something else and something else. But I think you guys know what blisters look like. So yeah, no big deal. My diet, I usually don't have a breakfast or lunch. I just have a dinner. I shared in a video yesterday that it's very much possible to keep going strong. I walk at least 7 hours a day, and I usually have only one meal at night because in the morning I start walking at 4, at 5 when nothing's open. By the time everything starts opening, it's very hot, and so there's no point eating. There's no point eating lunch because it's very hot and I won't be able to walk. Probably I'll upset my stomach if I eat and walk. So I just have one meal at night. Yeah. Um, this morning I started walking at 4 and I stopped at 9 p.m. tonight. So today was a marathon, about 42 kilometers. And yeah, 4 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you do the math. Of course, I had a big rest in the afternoon. I had like a 2 or 3 hour rest in the afternoon in a tent somewhere. Um, so yeah, so that's why I reached Malpur today. Malpur was my target for tomorrow, but because I got some good rest. Oh yeah, Shreya, I will. Thank you. Yeah. I need to rest. I mean, I get sleep every night. That's what matters, and I sleep very well. I sleep really very well. I think that's what matters. You know, when I live in the city, I can be eating all day, and still, I mean, I might feel weak. I might feel a bit insomniac. Um, And for the last 6 days, I'm having only one meal a day. I'm walking at least 7 hours a day, and I'm doing tip top. Pinky, I'd love to have fruits on the way if I could see some fruits on the way. But yeah, that's the nature of highways and villages that you don't find much fruit really. But yeah, every time I have fruit, like today morning, there was a temple and they were selling coconuts. So I ate a full coconut. Um, well, without the shell, obviously. Yeah. And then but yeah, I try to eat some fruit whenever I can. Yesterday I remember I ate two bananas. The day, I think 4 days ago, I ate a couple of pears. So yeah, if I see fruit, I eat fruit, obviously. Yeah, but it's hard to find fruit on the way. um, yeah, my lesson from the last 6 days, you don't need 3 meals a day, but you do need a lot of exercise. If you get enough exercise, you'll be able to sleep on an empty stomach. I don't recommend sleeping on an empty stomach. Insomnia is definitely a condition of the privileged. Corona is a condition of the privileged. Depression is a condition of the privileged. Diabetes, blood pressure, hypertension, these are all diseases of the privileged. Um, I went to Jarod, zero corona cases. I went to Kalol, zero corona cases. Halol, zero cases. Shahera, zero cases. Baska, zero cases. The biggest town I've been to so far was Lunawada, which was yesterday, and it had 2 cases. Lavana, no cases. Malpur, no cases. Town after town, village after village. There's poverty, but there's no disease. Uh, yeah, I mean, you choose, guys. You could be eating all day and still not get sleep at night, or you could just eat a dinner but get a lot of exercise throughout the day and you'll sleep like a baby. So, anybody you know who's suffering from depression, who's suffering from insomnia, who's suffering basically in any way whatsoever, they're finding it hard to cope with their studies. They're finding it hard to cope with society. Any problems. I think exercise is the solution. I think pretty much I'll be ready to start guaranteeing and start betting that if you work out enough, all your problems can be made to go away. Uh, I'm really, I mean, I've believed that for a long time, and I think I did this walk just so that I can prove it to myself that really exercise is the only thing the body needs, even more than food. Um, I hope for the rest of my life, I never go one day without exercise. I really don't care if I go without food. Like I told you guys, I start at 4 in the morning, no breakfast, no lunch, and I walk for 7 to 8 hours without any food whatsoever, just sipping on water. One meal at night, and yeah, it works like a drug. I'm just gone to bed immediately. Uh, I start yawning while I'm eating dinner, so the body doesn't even need food as much as it needs exercise. So, priority wise, priority number one, exercise. Priority two, food. Priority three, sleep. It's automatic. Thank you, Pinky. Thank you, Shreya. I don't know what I can say that I haven't said already. There are tractors passing by. Yeah, I mean, I don't miss my penthouse in Alkapuri at all. I don't. It has a brilliant roof. This place doesn't. It has brilliant fans and ACs. This place doesn't. I have a very comfortable king size bed and super cushiony pillows. I don't have a pillow or a bed right now. Uh, but yeah, I'm loving it. I just can't express this feeling, but I feel very happy and very content. I feel complete. Uh, it's hard to put in words, really. It's so hard to put in words. And I'm loving this place. Yeah, it's a dhaba. I'm sorry I sound very slow because I'm really tired, but I'm happy. I don't know what else to say. Unless you guys have any questions, I think we'll tune out for now. As soon as I wake up, I'll start walking. Tomorrow's destination is Modasa. It's only 20 kilometers. So that's like half of what I did today. So I should be there before lunch. Like I said, I'm in Malpur now, and Malpur was my target for tomorrow, but I managed to reach here today. What a day. And throughout the even right now, I can hear crickets. So nature is with me all the time. Like right from the moment I wake up till the moment I sleep, I can hear insects, birds, peacocks, cuckoos. Yeah, I don't even know which birds. And there are some really sweet birds that you never get to hear in Baroda. Yeah, I mean, it's like these birds and insects are telling me to keep going. It's very trippy, really. It's very trippy. I think it's all the exercise that's kicking in the dopamine in my head, in my brain. Uh, yeah, don't know what else to say. It's all very good. Uh, don't let anybody convince you that you need an AC. Uh, don't let anybody convince you that you need a bed. Don't let anyone convince you that you need anything besides yourselves. All you need is your heart, your hands, and your head, really. Heart, hands, and head. That's the lesson for today, then. See you all tomorrow. Stay safe, stay helpful, stay happy. I'll see you guys soon.